Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OneDrive if it's not syncing in Windows 11. Or if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go and find your OneDrive right here at the bottom right. And just make sure that this one is running, not grayed out. So just click on it. And then once that's done, go to the top right, click on the gear icon. You should be able to see this, by the way. Your files are synced. So click on it and then go ahead and click on under pause syncing. Okay, make sure that it is not paused. Okay, make sure that it says here starting or syncing. Now go ahead over to settings right here and click on sync and backup. Okay, go ahead and click on manage backup, and in here wait for these things to load right here. Okay, you're gonna wanna enable each of these folders depending on what you wanted to sync. For example, you wanted to sync your documents, pictures, and desktop. So you'll have to do it one by one. For example, videos right here. Click on save, wait for it. Now close this one. Do the same thing to the other. Wait for it to load, and should notice that this one is already turned on. Okay, just like so. Make sure to back it up one by one, or sync it one by one. Now, if that still will work, just go ahead over to settings once more in this section, and then just go ahead over to accounts. And then, unfortunately, if you have a large file, okay, this process right here will take long. So what you've got to do here basically is just click on unlink this PC, and once done, go ahead and sign back in. All right, and if all else fails, reinstalling the application will help. And that is how you fix OneDrive if it's not syncing in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.